do an update video because I've had this tattoo massager for I guess about like 2 weeks now. This is my favorite place to use this. I pretty much always have this in my chair, which I'll show you in a second. But another way that I use it is at night. Put it here while I'm watching TV. So you can have it this way to do your back, and you can turn it this way to do your neck. Relaxing. Guys, I've had my share of massagers, like the kind that goes around your shoulders that you put your hands in, the handheld, like, you know, the massage gun one. This is the one that I use the most. It's the one that I gravitate towards because I can put it there. I don't have to touch it. My hands are free. I really like that, especially at the end of the day when I'm using it like over there on the couch. I can work the remote or play on my phone or whatever I want to do. That hands-free element is very important to me. I like that it's very light, that I can pick it up and move it around, which is one of the reasons why I tend to use it more often. And here's another way that I use it, which is probably kind of weird. I'll put it like this, and then when I'm working, I will sit, like actually sit on this, the massaging part, because obviously that's going to help to, like if you're sitting all day, that is not good for your butt or the look on the back of your legs. If you're a woman, you know what I'm talking about. And then you can switch it like this so that it's massaging your upper, like your mid thighs too. Because some of the other ones where like they're bigger and heavy, you're not going to use that because it's just a pain in the you know what to move around. So I will say that I have really enjoyed like the kind of portability. I would even travel with this, especially if it were like a road trip and you know, space was not like in my luggage was not an issue. I love like that warming and massage, especially while you're working. I don't know, it helps a lot with lower back pain. I just find that it is very helpful in that way that like when I get up at the end of the day from working, I'm not like, I just don't feel as sore, which of course makes me more inclined to want to work out. There are 3 things that I would change. Like if COMFIER was like, hey, what's your wish list for this product? I would say make the cord longer and that the lead, you know, like the part that whatever, that it comes from the center as opposed to being on one side, because the cord is not super long. It also happens to be on the wrong side for where I personally use it. So I would love that. I would also like it if there was like a place to stick this, the remote, because it's just kind of dangling, you know, there. So I would like it if there was like a little pocket or Velcro or something. And then, oh, that's the last thing. Now, I'm a woman, so obviously I do not have like Arnold Schwarzenegger sized neck. Like, I do love the neck massaging part of it, but because my neck is more narrow, like it touches your neck, but it's more of like... Can y'all see what I'm talking about the neck thing? You see how it's touching my neck, but just barely? Need a wider neck? I don't know. Take a gentle massage because it's massaging out here and my neck is in here, if that makes sense. So I wish it kind of came in a little bit further. Oh, one more thing I have to tell you guys that I use this for. I had the worst headache the other day. I'm talking atrocious, all right? So I laid on the floor and like let it, you know, do its magic on the back of my head. Chef's kiss. That was wonderful. And you know, that massaging of your head, like if you're trying to grow your hair out, that is also helpful. For all of those reasons, I can absolutely, I would say 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. I love this product. I use it all the time. I will continue to use it. I would give it as a gift. I would have been happy to receive it as a gift. I mean, you know, that's the true test of any product. Are you actually going to use it? And the answer for me is going to be absolutely yes. So that's my 2-week update. Let me know what you guys think. If you've ever tried this, what's your favorite massager? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.